So today's topic is QTP life cycle. How the process is going on in detail, we are going to discuss now. Okay, everyone is ready? All of you click on start recording. We are starting the session now. Let's see. In this, work will be processed in 6 different phases. One is, you know very well, test plan. One is test plan. Then generating the basic script, or test, then enhancing the test, from here your work will be starts. Executing the test or script, analyzing the result. Finally, we are reporting. So let's see. Test plan. It is narrowly defined documentation here, which is prepared by our test lead. Already this concept is done. Along with this, few more points I'm adding. This concept is done in manually already. So test plan is narrowly defined document. It is prepared by
Good morning, Vedla.
test lead. Yeah, hi Iram, good morning. Yeah, Iram, I'm making you organizer. You can make recording. Just now I started QTP life cycle. It contains 6 phases. In that first phase is test plan. So what is test plan means? It is one defined documentation which is prepared by test lead. So it is used to test the application in an effective way, to provide the quality project to client. In an effective way to provide the quality project to client. So what lead will do here is steps. Along with your manual testing steps, here few more steps will be added. One is understanding the requirements first. Test lead will understand the requirements. It is nothing but FRS. Then identifying the modules or analyzing. Yeah, Iram, you can rejoin. Can you hear me? She can't hear me. Fine. Then after understanding or reviewing the documentation, then identifying all the modules to be automated. Means which modules we need to use in QTP. They're going to analyze the flow. Then analyzing the application flow. Analyzing the application flow. Then preparing, this point is important. Preparing tool to ready with all pre-configurational settings. Maybe Satish, your doubt, yesterday you asked now how come QTP will know, means because of this point only. Preparing tool to ready with all pre-configurational settings.
Okay.
Settings for the further operations in testing team. Iram, if I am making you organizer, maybe audio option is going to corrupted. So one more time I am doing. If you are unable to hear, again you rejoin. On that time I am not going to make you audio option. Okay?
Got
Organizer.
it. Got
Okay?
it, yeah. Okay.
Fine. Fine. Can you hear me, Iram? Yes, Iram, don't make it mute. Hello? Yeah, same problem, I think. Iram, can you hear me? Oh, okay. Okay, but I can't hear you. That's fine. We can manage then. Preparing tool to ready with pre-configurational settings for further operations. See, if you open your QTP, here, yeah, it is getting ready. So, pre-configurational settings are done by test lead with management along with. So, preparing tool to ready with all pre-configurational test settings. So, this process will be done by management. Means development lead. They will give the timelines of the project. Project manager. HP company tech support person. These roles will be there. Okay, let's see. So go to tools option. See. Yeah. Go to tools option. Here all the some options got selected. Here 2 is given. Just now I started Iram. So test plan. QTP life cycle consisting of 6 different phases. In that one phase is test plan phase. Here how the work is going on means here first test lead will analyze the requirements. So actually test plan already you learned in manual testing. It is a narrowly defined documentation which is prepared by test lead. It is used to test the application uh, to provide the quality project to client. So here test lead will understand the requirements first. How the process is going on in this test plan means lead will understanding the requirements, then identifying which module need to be automated. Example, project is divided into 4 modules. Out of 4 modules, which module is getting repeated and that module need to be automated. So after that, here analyzing the flow of the application or application flow, test lead will analyze. After analyzing, what I am doing here is I am preparing some pre-configurational settings. So with the management like tech support, HR tech support person, project manager, development lead, including me, what I am doing here is I am going to do some internal settings, like some options will be selected. C2, 5 is there. It is in-depth information, so which is already pre-configured. Search, so top left, like this already information is given. We are not doing any changes here. Some timelines. To work this application, go to File, Settings. So click on Run. So to work this application, minimum 20 seconds. Like this, some pre-configurational settings are given. They make QTP ready. This QTP is released to testing department. Now tester is entering into the next phase. So this is called your first phase. Simple point. Along with your manual test plan, you add these points also, and it is a automation. After that, generating the basic script. Here, basic script means here tester is going to test the or creates the as per the email. So now QTP is ready in your system. Junior and senior level tester will be doing this process. So once the QTP is ready, then senior tester and junior tester will get an email that is called task. So check the flow of the project or module of login. So this is a task. Now this task you have to do it in QTP. So in this phase, this process is done. This is one process you have to do. So in this phase, we are generating basic test flow or a script. Basic test flow or a script we are creating. Example, they decided login application. So you are making tool under recording. First basic script you are creating. So you have activated, you have entered username as Vidya, password as Mercury, and you clicked on OK button. Now stop recording. This is your basic script. This basic script you are enhancing. From here your actual work. So now basic script is created. Basic script. In this phase we are generating basic test flow or a script with the help of recording. Now once the script got created, now we are enhancing. Once the script got created, now we are enhancing. Those script. So this will be done in enhancement phase here. Enhancements can be done in different situations based on the task, based on the application flow. Enhancements will be done in different situations. Let's see. Done in different ways. In that, one is inserting checkpoints, then inserting output values, then synchronizing the test, then parameterizing the test, then inserting the transactional points. Each and every point we will discuss. Setting the transactional points. Then inserting the programmatic statements. Inserting the programmatic statements. First, let's see checkpoints. The meaning of checkpoint is validational pointer, dear. Checkpoint means validational pointer, which is used to test the application in different situations. See, one quick question for you. So this is your application. Now you tell me, dear, what are all the things you can test it in this application? By viewing or doing some actions also. What are all the things you can test it? Yes?
Page name, password, tab order. Okay.
Okay.
Align,
Cancel button, help button.
alignment, spelling mistake like that.
Mhm.
Entering valid data, invalid
Invalid
data.
data, invalid, yeah. Yes, yes, all button.
Functionality you're testing, that's fine.
Yeah.
And alignment you're checking, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Data is stored on the database or not. Some database kind of work also you are checking,
Yeah.
right? So
Mm-hmm.
text, spelling mistakes you said,
Mm-hmm.
that is also correct. Images are there.
Yeah, images are properly up.
So you have to test the, yes, very good. Consistency.
Mm-hmm.
All the application consistency also you have to test.
Mm-hmm.
For different options. Example, let's say for example here, area, you're checking the application alignment. Alignments means nothing but an area. In the application it is area, center aligned or left aligned. Like this, that is called area, dear. First thing, you're going to test the application spellings, right? Spelling mistakes you are checking. Spellings of the text. Okay. And next, alignment of the fields. Next, as Teja said, consistency of the options. And next, here, image will be there. Image also you have to test. This image also you have to test. So, whatever data you are entering, backend database also you have to test. So, main things are this. These are all different situations you need to use to test the application. Spelling mistakes and all you are checking, na? That is called text. So, to perform this in QTP, text checkpoint is useful. If any text is missing, manually you can do. In QTP, one checkpoint we need to use, that is called text. Here area is there, alignment is there, that is called area checkpoint. Consistency you said, that is called standard checkpoint. Images means image checkpoint. Some backend XML files and database also is there. So to checkpoint means it's a validational pointer which is used to test the application in different situations. Okay. So like text of the application, area of fields, images, etc. So there are different types of test checkpoints are there. Checkpoints. So one is text checkpoint. Then text area checkpoint. standard checkpoint, bitmap checkpoint, database checkpoint, XML checkpoint. These are all key points checkpoints. Okay. Now let's see. So let's see checkpoint of text working process. How to use checkpoint working process means here if you want to test the text presented on the application, then we are using this checkpoint. So how the working process means? First thing, captures the correct value. With practically I will show you. Capture the correct value. After you are capturing correct value, here let's see. From application. Then open the incorrect application or defect application. You won't understand now. First practically you will get to know. So open the defect application. Then execute the script. Now we can find defect. Validations you are doing. So let's see. For this one example. Project name. Project name. Get underscore text. So this is the main title. Main title itself is get underscore text. In this subtitle is there. Get text demonstration. Subtitle is get text demonstration. In this, so this subtitle should be in bold, italic, place in center. Should be bold and italic format. Subtitle should be in center aligned. This is sub requirements. Then in application, 3 buttons should be there. One is hello. Second one is this is a. Third one is get underscore text demo. So 3 buttons. So one is hello. The next one this is a same thing. And get underscore text. So project title is, main title is this, subtitle is this. It should be This subtitle should be bold and italic format, and it should be placed in center aligned. In that, 3 buttons should be there. Those buttons are this. So this is the requirement which is given to you. Now with this requirement, what you have to do here is, right now you are a manual tester. Okay. So remember one thing, automation testing starts in the middle, not at the beginning. So first base will be the manual testing. Let's say for example you are a manual tester and these are all the requirements which are given to you. So based on these requirements, here one application is released. This is your requirements. Here the build one is released and you are a manual tester. You are a manual tester, build one is released. All of you check it out clearly, each and every requirement, and let me know whatever the mistakes you find out. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Meanwhile, check it out. I'll come back and I'll ask you the doubts what you find out, mistakes or defects what you find out. Okay, just give me 2 seconds. Yeah, tell me team, what are all the mistakes you identified one by one? You just tell me. Those mistakes are nothing but a
text
defects.
demonstration.
Get text demonstration.
Subtitle is not bold. It only
Bold
should
italic
Not bold
format.
and italic.
yeah.
Okay. One defect.
And get
And
text. Okay.
And get text demonstration should be in center.
Oh, it's in
It is not
center.
in center.
Yeah, it's in center.
Caps.
It-
Caps.
It's not in center.
captain.
Get text should be on caps.
Yeah.
And
Subha,
D
check
should
it
be on.
out clearly. Yeah.
Get text button should be in caps.
Yes. Get text D should be in uppercase or in caps. Okay. You identified 2 defects. One is get text demonstration should be bold and italic, and third button is not in uppercase.
Uppercase, yeah.
Okay. Get text D should be in uppercase. Now what you are doing? Let's see. First step, you are a manual tester. Remember one thing, QTP starts in the middle, not at the beginning level. Build one itself, you are not using in automation and it's not at all possible. So, first step, step 1, we are manual testers. So, in manual testing, we have tested. In manual testing, we have tested the application and we found 2 defects. So, defect 1 is Subtitle is not in bold and italic format. And third button, defect 2, get underscore text D, not in uppercase. So we have written. So we found two defects. Those defects we send it to development team. This is the step 1. Step 2. We are waiting for next build. Now, see, next build means it can be third or fourth. Now, project is moved in automation testing process. Project is moved in automation testing process. So build 2 is released. Released. Next build is released now. So first what you have to do? First you need to see the defective functionality is rectified or not. Only follow my steps. First, defective functionality is rectified or not. Then remaining all you have to test it. That is called regression testing. Remaining all next you test and tell me whatever defects you identified. Okay, quickly don't give. Please concentrate first. So you raise the defects, you send to developer. So developer rectified and they released the next build to the testing department. Next build is released. Now is the defect functionality is rectified or not? Check it out.
No.
No?
No.
Which is not
The
rectified?
defect is rectified, but the again error is
First,
there.
what is my question, my dear? My question is that defects are rectified or not? I'm asking. You just give me that answer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
problems got resolved.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, now you are a automation tester. You just by viewed it, you just observed and you find out the problems got resolved. Now you are a automation tester. Okay? Now you are a automation tester. Now regression testing process you have to do. Already build 1 is there in your system only. This is the build 2. Defective functionalities are rectified. Now you tell me, dear, what are all the new defects you recognized?
In second button, it is not there.
Okay, Divya, you tell me.
Sorry, Vidya, your question, please.
Yeah, now you tell me whatever defects you identify.
The second button, it is there.
So only second button.
Yes.
And
Get. I think.
Yeah, Teja, Iram, Satish, whatever you
Maybe in the
identified one
title?
defect is, that's fine. Title is what?
text.
Line.
Main or sub?
TXT? T capital. Main.
Main title, T is capital. Are you sure?
No. It is
If
not.
you go back to the, can you please go back to the notepad?
Yeah, requirements, C. This is your requirements, now tell me.
This is A. It is a second button. Which one? Step 1 or I did not get that.
Step 1 means, here this is the manual tester.
Okay.
So only one defect you recognized here?
These three boxes are not in same size.
Okay. Very good. Consistency problem you recognize it. That's really good. Is that so? Now two defects. Any more defects you recognized? Area problem is there. Subtitle is not in centered aligned now. Reasons we least bother because of italic or bold or something. We least bother. It is not in center alignment. Right? So now you identified three defects. One is text problem. Second one is consistency problem. Third one is area problem. Okay. Now how to raise the concern. First one, text problem, we will discuss. So here now we are next build is released. So here we find out three defects. So those defects in the text problem. If you identified any text problem, then we need to use text checkpoint. Okay. So then we need to use text checkpoint. So better this example I will make it at the beginning so that you can follow steps. Yeah. Now one problem is text. So here what I written, if you want to test the text presented on the application, then we are using this checkpoint. Working process is capture the correct value from the application. Then open the defect application, then execute it. Now we can find defect by QTP. Now QTP will recognize it. So for this, first you need to inform QTP what is correct one. So open the correct application where this is the text is there. This is the text. Now keep the tool under recording Windows. So checkpoints are located in here. Okay, all are looking like disabled. So you have to make recording mode. Then only those checkpoints will be enabled. So now QTP is under recording mode. So go to insert checkpoint, text checkpoint. If you want to test the text presented on the application, then we are using text checkpoint. Click it. Which text? Middle button text. Click on that text. It says this is a. Click OK. Only I want one match case only. Click OK. Exact match only I want. Exact this is a has to be given. No ignore spaces. Match case. Only match case is exact match. Not even text not displayed. It won't work. For testing checkpoints, exact match case. I'm asking QTP to exact this is a is there. Then you make it as a pass. If this is a is not there, you have to raise the defect. I am informing, I am giving instructions and information to QTP. Click OK. That's it. Now QTP is ready. Stop recording. If you hit the run button, it says pass. Why? Because this is the text is there. Exact match is there. So that is a reason it says I am pass. There is a text. But this is not our process now. It says passed because of that same text. Open the defect project. Hit the run button. See. It is trying to identify this is the text is there or not. It says I am failed. Go to view, expand all. So with the screenshot error message will display. So text captured is it is a. Red indicates wrong. Green indicates correct. Expected is this is a. Expected is this is a. If you want to test the text presented on the application, these checkpoints we are using. That is called text checkpoint. So this you need to send to developer. There is a problem. So go to File, Export, HTML, and export. So in defects, text checkpoint. Here, text checkpoint. This file you are attaching. This file you are attaching, which is failed. Developer will recognize with the help of this option. Got it? On which time, at what time we have recognized it. Like this, you're gonna raise the defects. If you're having any doubts here, you can ask me. If you understand one checkpoint, Nadia, remaining all will be the same to same. Let's say one more example. Example in the sense, one more defect you identified, na? That is called area problem, center alignment problem. That you need to use this checkpoint. If you want to test the text area presented on the application, then we are using this checkpoint. Same step, working process also same. So if you want to test the text area, how many of you having a checkpoints in your Oracle VirtualBox? Yes? Teja, do you have? Iram, Teja, Subha?
I
We'll
think
check
now
and let you know.
I have to check it.
No, did I release it or not? Tell me. Through
No,
Skype or email.
no, I didn't get it.
No, no, Vidya.
Okay, come to the
Mm.
Skype and ask me, message me. I'm in transferring. Please save it in your desktop so that from your computer to a virtual machine, you can upload the file. Come to Skype, all of you, please message me.
Okay.
Vidya, I
So,
got
Sat,
it.
Vidya, are you able to uh, bring out those files into the version? Are you able to do
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Or,
Already we observed Nadir on that day. We can try it that process now.
so yours is version 10 or 9.2
Mine,
QTP? Yeah,
mine 9.2 is there. Mine one.
mine is also 9.2, but for some reason that is not
That
working.
is not a issue. Version is not a issue here.
Okay,
Okay, I'll
okay.
check it. Actually, you did, I think so. First,
No.
do you have checkpoints in your desktop? First,
Yes,
answer me,
yes,
please, all of you.
yes, I
If it
have.
is there, I'll come back, Satish. I'll come back. Okay, let
Okay,
me
fine.
transfer to all of them, and
Okay,
I'll try to do it in your system. Okay. On that
fine.
day, I think Divya or Prerna has guided us, right?
Yes, yes. I tried that, but that didn't work.
Folder, did you create it?
Yes, yes.
If
I
it is
created the
not there,
folder.
please come and message me. It's my message to you. Please come and message me on Skype. I will transfer. Okay.
Okay,
So let me, Satish will do it now.
okay.
Rest of the team comment Skype and message to me. Divya, I think you guided on that day, right?
Yes, Vidya.
Okay. Satish, share your screen. Share
Yes,
folder
Vidya.
you have to create, I think. If anyone is not having checkpoints, please come on Skype and message me. I will transfer. Because this options you have to practice by your end. Yeah, it is there, right? Fine.
Yes. So I extracted here. Properties. Sharing. I already shared here.
Okay. Yeah, shared.
Everyone, I shared actually. Read right. Yeah.
Click share.
Says
Done.
done. Yeah. Let me close this
Close.
because
Now go to device. No, don't open QTP. Why you are opening QTP? In the topmost menu is there a device.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, device only. Share,
Shared
wait,
folders.
share folder. Will you please go slow?
Sure.
Because we'll guide to other students also.
Okay. Network.
Wait. Checkpoint it is there na full or something. Machine.
Yes.
Machine folder. Select that one. Share folder above one.
Okay.
Select that one. Right
Oh,
click or
make permanent, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Close the QTP first. Divya, will you just guide me again? Go back to device.
Insert guest additions.
No. Again share folder. Share folder settings.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to add it. Yes, he did it already.
He
You
did
have
add
one
in.
No, it's the path we have selected here. That shared folder path he has selected.
Okay, plus icon is then above that he need to add, right?
Yes. That Satish, you delete it and you do it again, so that everyone will know, right?
Okay.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, Teja, I'm sending you now.
There. Let's see.
Yeah, Iram, I'm sending you now.
Let me see the path here.
It is there, na Satish? Why you are going again?
No. Actually, I have two locations. I'm just confirming whether this one is shared or not. Just reconfirming. Okay. See here. Permanent. Okay.
Now you need to click on add.
I did that actually. You want me to show one more time?
No, you can now how to get
This is
that file. Yeah.
I already added actually here.
Okay. Then what next?
Search the network for. Search for the network.
Yeah, search for the network, please. Open it. Here, yeah, what it is?
Slash
VB,
VBox or something.
VBox SVR.
VBox SVR.
Yeah.
Type it SVR.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Did you do that?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, it's there.
okay. Actually, I just tried with VBox only. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, I'm sorry.
No problem. Okay, let's do it in
Yeah,
other
it's done.
student system.
Thanks, Sudhir.
Yeah. Thanks, Divya.
Thanks,
Actually,
Sudhir.
Divya has guided us.
Thanks, Sudhir.
What is this,
You're
Let's,
Divya? You send me the file and I just downloaded. Is that the same for
yeah,
smart
Divya.
learning?
Yeah, Subha, now share your screen. We'll guide you.
Okay.
Show me your desktop. Otherwise, yeah, show me your desktop. Close this window all. All you close it. Where you saved, you just remember, minimize the path. Skype minimize. Only desktop you show me. Where you saved? Why remote connection all you are connecting? Your system will be slow, na?
Uh, I saved it in download.
Oh my God, these many files.
Actually, it's my husband desktop, so
Okay. It is little difficult to do, dear.
Shiva, you
Make it
just
in desktop.
extract that file first in desktop so that you can see.
Otherwise, make it that checkpoint, search it and make it in desktop. Meanwhile, we'll come back with other student. Prerna, did you got the file?
okay.
Iram, did you got the file? Okay. Iram, Prerna, I can't hear you. Teja, I think you made it by your end.
Yeah, I got the file, Vidya. It's okay, I can do it myself. No problem.
Okay, that's great. Fine. And what about Iram? Iram, share your screen. And
Uh,
Iram, give me the controls to me.
Vidya, I will do today only. I will do.
Okay, no problem. Did you got the file, Prerna?
Yeah, in a Skype I got, yes.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, dear. Iram, share your screen. We can't see your screen, Iram. Yeah, now we can see. So first you give me a controls. I will try to do it in your system. Yeah, yeah, I can see your screen. Did you give any controls to me? Yeah. Why you people are opening all the files when session is going on? Just give me the controls to me, Iram. Where you saved the checkpoints file? Iram, just give me quick reply. Make it in desktop, please. Okay. Now let me do. Just leave the system. I'll do it. It's not allowing me. Yeah. Okay. I'm doing. You just leave the system, Iram. Yours is very slow. Iram, did you understand what we did in Satish system? Will you try it out by your end today? Because it is not allowing quick response, your system is not allowing me. Once Oracle VirtualBox, otherwise we'll do one thing. Minimize this one. Minimize both the windows. Yeah. Right click on checkpoints. Checkpoints recovery, right click. Properties. Make it fast. Come down properties. Oh, it is very slow, dear. Will you do one thing? Because all the students are waiting now. So today what we did in Sati's system, click on share. Yeah, click on sharing. Okay, okay, that's fine. Just click on share and give the access. Then check it out in the Oracle Virtual Machine. Okay. So all of you do the same thing. What we did in what Satish did, just follow those steps. Anyhow, it is recording now. You just follow those steps.
Oh, okay, you are transferring this file to QTP machine, right?
Yes.
Oh, now only I understood.
Okay.
Okay.
That checkpoints class, that is our class files. Today what we are doing checkpoints related. That today what we did in Sati's system, just you try to do it in your computer also. Transfer those files into
Okay.
your
QTP.
Oracle Virtual Machine. Okay.
Oracle.
Now text area checkpoint. Yeah. If you want to test the text area presented on the application, then we are using this checkpoint. Let's continue the session now. So if you want to test the text presented, we did this one. Now area problem is also there, na? In this application, area problem is also there. So first open the correct application. And you are asking QTP to capture exact value. Keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. Go to insert, checkpoint, text area checkpoint. So capture exact area. It is concentrating text of area. No ignore space. Match case, exact match I want. By default, match case will be on here. Exact match. Click OK. Now stop recording. If you run it, it will work. This is not our procedure. I want to execute the application which is defect. See, area is not in, title is not in center. Hit the run button. You can find out the defect here. See, go to view, expand all. Checkpoint. TION is missing. Expected is get text demonstration. Okay. So this is called what? This is only known as text area checkpoint if you want to test the area presented on the application. First, as a tester, we have to decide the defect. Then we are informing QTP. QTP will execute that one. Same thing, you identified the properties and values. That is called standard checkpoint. What is standard checkpoint means? If you want to test the properties and values, it is purely back-end process. Today you perform these 3 checkpoints. If you want to test the properties and values of an application, then we are using this checkpoint. Same thing. So first captures the correct value. Open the correct application. All properties, because I don't know which property is added, which is not added correctly. So this is the get text demo, last button. Backend properties and values we are capturing. Same step. Keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. Go to insert, checkpoint, standard checkpoint. Which button? Third button. Click OK. So this is called properties and values. Only if you select width is also fine. If you select only width, because the width problem you recognized, right? You recognized the problem of width. That's fine. Height or width, whatever you. Click OK. Stop recording. If you run it, it will work. If you open the next build where there is a problem of width, that is called consistency. Hit the run button. Or else take all. Also it will work. All properties, because backend what properties and values got changed, we don't know, which is done by developer. You can select all also. Exact problem you can give and all also. So go to view, expand all. See. It says width property name. 97 is actually it is coming now. But expected is 81. Make the cursor pointer, you will get it. If you want to test the properties and values. So on Monday we are going to discuss about bitmap checkpoint. Okay, on Monday. On Monday we can discuss the next step, team. Today you just try to save the files, take help of our friends or recording options help. Try to get the file. Long weekend?
Only in Canada, Iram.
Okay. Okay, Monday we do have a class. Okay. Oh, Thanksgiving Day when?
No, it's on November.
Okay.
It's actually Columbus Day.
Columbus Day.
Okay, okay. So Monday you are coming, Iram? Okay. Okay then. So maybe I'm sending a notes to you people. You can save the file. Okay.
Vidya, I didn't get the yesterday's note. You send that?
I didn't send it. No, I didn't send it. I didn't send. Now I will send to all of you.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Just check it out immediately. I'm sending. That's better. QTP final notes or part 2 notes I will release along with this updated class notes. Okay. All of you can check it out your emails. Subha, this is your email ID only, right, Subha?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, first note, first one I got it, but yesterday's only I didn't get there.
Okay, okay. Okay, team. See you on Monday. Continuation class. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Okay, Vidya. Have a nice
Bye,
weekend.
Vidya.
Bye.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.